Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. And guys, we are standing on board a brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 405 Conquest. Now, I'd be a liar if I didn't admit to having a love affair with this boat. Sold one of the very early ones with 600s, and this boat is it's just an incredible, incredible vessel. Guys, at the back, the power starts with one of my favorite power plants. The V12 from Mercury, I've got them trimmed up so you can see they say 600s on them. Yes, 1,800 horsepower. The spec says this boat will run as high as 60 mile an hour. And I got to be honest with you, I think that it will. This cockpit that I'm standing in is absolutely expansive. You will have no problem fishing 4 to 6 folks in the back of this. Those pictures were shot right here in Sarasota, not only for this boat, but the original model boat. But I want to point out something. These boats can be built with a summer kitchen module in the back or the bench. Ours is done with the bench, and the specific reason is you have fresh water, you have everything that you need back here to do it, but you also don't lose your grill. Boston Whaler gives you a grill, a Kenyan grill module right here, even with storage for utensils and such, right underneath this starboard side seat. Guys, it works excellently. I might argue it works even better than the summer kitchen, but that's personal preference. Also, to the right of me, a cable master. It's a pull-out power retract, one of the few that you see. You're in a Whaler, that is, one of the few that you'll see that option. This pull-out step for this seat back. And guys, one of the cool things, if you don't already know, this seat back folds down, gives you a Corian top. Behind it, a second Corian top opens up and expands your counter space. This boat, when you're using that summer kitchen, you have a tremendous amount of counter space. And this is all Whaler's design team making this work out. So just to give you a little bit of extra prep space, because this boat is large enough that we're absolutely going to entertain on it. Below this seat on the port side, you have a forced cooler. Guys, you can run no ice in there and freeze drinks. It is a wonderful unit that Whaler has done. On top of it, a flip-flop seat, so you can do 4 wide watching the spread if you want. Big sunshade over your head. And guys, this boat is finished in oyster gray. And I've got to point out this subtle little gray color matched interior top. It looks beautiful. It complements the black frame so wonderfully. It's a very, very nice piece. Coming back to reality here in the main helm area. This is a high-low table. One of the coolest things, and we'll check out a reel. If you haven't been on MarineMax's Instagram, click a link right here and jump over to our Instagram and see a reel. I'll show you how this table goes down and the seat converts. Super, super cool. You can make this lounge, etc. On the starboard side of this boat, you have additional cook space. You now have a hot pad or a stove top there, as well as a sink, double refrigeration underneath, storage, controls for your table seats and shades, as well as a trash can. And I've got to say, the camera is currently standing over a little bit of a yacht engine room. There is very good storage underneath for tools, spare parts. This boat knows that it very well may go to the Bahamas, and it has great space for that storage. On the passenger side, so port side forward here, double wide helm seat with a 24-inch wide Simrad. Whether you're watching a bottom machine, paying attention to radar at night, or in general, just hanging out, this can even be wired to watch some TV, Starlink, etc. This boat has really got it all with its own AC. And guys, many folks, even some owners, don't know there's wing control joystick on the port side of this boat. One of very few outboard boats that has that. Absolutely incredible. If you want to go further with it, we'll put Dockmate on the boat. For the helm, you've got an incredible space to spend your time. Access to absolutely everything. Twin screens, a bow thruster to complement your joystick, physical controls for things like your vents, etc. Great, great stuff from Mercury. Guys, I don't often show cabins, but let's go down below, because this 405 is hiding a true yacht level space. The woodwork is tremendous. It just is. The galley is beautiful. They've done a frameless isotherm fridge. So if you're counting now, you have 3 plus the forced cooler. You have a cooktop. You have a sink. You have wine storage. The silver paint they've done here, this kind of satiny silver paint, hides a microwave, additional storage, as well as storage across the entire top here, guys. They have done a beautiful job. This is a yacht level interior, and it truly commands it. Look at the detail on the woodwork on this head. Speaking of which, this has a truly separate head and shower. You're not going to find that in these outboard expresses very often. They've even gone so far as to put access from the master into that. If you want to lock this, make it en suite, you absolutely can. And guys, forward, you get an island queen bed. You actually can close this door. So fully enclosed cabin, multiple zone fusion sound systems, hanging lockers, more of that satin silver painted storage. You even have this stainless detail forward in the headboard of the bed. Of course, your Bomar hatch to go above board. Guys, I'm standing on a stunningly beautiful teak floor. This interior is something that is worth your trip here to see. This is our 2026 Boston Whaler 405 Conquest, arguably one of the prettiest that's on the market, bar none. It has the right option set. It's the right builder. This boat is going to take you, your family, your friends, anywhere. I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax Sarasota. Guys, reach out to me or any of my team to get on board this and everything we have here in Sarasota. Talk to you soon.